I went fishing in Sea Isle this past weekend, and this is pretty much what happened. First couple casts out there, I caught this nice little striper.
Yo, big shout out to my boys over at Boulevard Bait and Tackle, helping me catch a nice big fish. We like that.
And then I hung out with my dogs, who decided to come and chase the crabs and bark at seagulls, and they had a really good time. But after that, I didn't really catch anything. But big shout out to Boulevard Bait and Tackle for telling me where to go and what to use for bait, otherwise I would not have caught that fish.